Two of you set the same maths mock, same grade, a solid B, but one of you checked every answer 3 times and still didn't trust it, and the other raced ahead, got curious about question 7, and ran out of time. Same mark, completely different stories. Your learning genius is the bit that grade leaves out. Not what you scored, but why. Here's the trap. A learning genius is easy to misread as a label, a box, an excuse. I'm just a deep owl, so slow is fine. That's not it. Used well, it's a working instruction. You need to really understand before you move on. So here's the exact strategy for timed papers. Same result, 2 very different ways to read it. So how do you actually use it? First, name the pattern. The report puts words to what you already have noticed about yourself. Second, find your trap, the one thing your type tends to get wrong under pressure. Third, pick the matching strategy, not more willpower, the specific move for your wiring. And fourth, lean on the strength, because every genius is built around one. And the best part, you don't have to translate yourself for every subject. The whole faculty already reads your learning genius before it answers. So a sparky fox gets variety and pace, a deep owl gets time to go deep, a social dolphin gets to think out loud. Mentor sits at the center, coordinating it all, so the tutoring adapts to your genius instead of fighting it. One thing your genius can't tell you on its own is how today is going, so Mentor checks your energy first. Green means slept well, low stress, push the difficulty. Amber means tired with a heavy week, so keep it short and core only. And red means real pressure or feeling unwell, rest tonight. Your type is steady, your energy isn't. Your learning genius doesn't say you're gifted or struggling. It says something far more useful. This is how your brain is wired to learn, and here's what to do with it. We're now inviting the first 100 founding member families. You were never the problem. You just hadn't been read properly yet.
Find your learning genius at aitutors.me.